You can use the upper function in Microsoft Excel to transform lowercase letters to capitals. Start by inserting a blank column to the right of the column that contains your data. Click the first blank cell of the new column. Then, click the formula bar at the top of your worksheet. It's the typing area that has an FX on its left side. Type an equal sign, followed by the word upper in all capital letters. To tell the upper function which data to convert, click the first cell in your original data column. Press the Enter or Return key on your keyboard to apply the formula. The first cell of your original data column is now converted to uppercase letters. To apply this change to the entire column, click the cell containing the uppercase letters to select it, then drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell down to the final row.